reaction to this new. Oh, Pierre, you want to come out here?
I like what's good. I like what's good. You'll be here nothing. You'll be here nothing. That's how I have this. Your career is long this. You know my career is a long one. Yeah, and the adventure that I could get up. There we go. Hello, 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 and hello. Oh shoot, hold on. Forgot to turn on the stream overlay. You do the intro this time, V. I don't feel like it.
I'm not doing the intro. That's your job.
No, it's your job.
No, but that's your job.
I'm already doing something. You got it.
But why is it my job?
Because you're here.
But I'm not here.
Because you're here.
I don't exist.
You already do. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, me and V are gonna try to make a video game this weekend. Keyword try. Oh, well, I guess we're not because he's not here anymore. We were supposed to, but I guess I'm gonna try to make a video game. But luckily, I have someone. Never mind. I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, we're gonna try to make a game. It might work. It might not. We might have nothing to show for it at the end, but it's gonna maybe be fun. I don't know. So far, it's been kind of stressful, but it's fine. And okay, hello V. And also joining us today is another good friend of mine, Zamari. That's the point where you're supposed to introduce yourself. Why does no one ever know how to do these things? I should probably prep people before they're here. But yeah, he's gonna be here, and yeah, I guess I don't know what he's gonna be doing, but he's gonna be here. He's gonna be interacting and talking and making this a more bearable experience. Because so far, we have nothing. We have nothing.
Yeah. So you want to tell about the story of when we tried to start making the game?
You got that. I'm gonna try to figure out a way for. I'm trying to figure out whether how to do this thing. You tell the story. I'll follow this tutorial.
We tried to make the game using Unity's collaboration system. We found out that, or we think that doesn't have any support anymore. So they tried to use GitHub. But that was a long process, and I can't do that because for whatever reason, GitHub isn't working right on my computer at the moment. So
Yeah.
we had just like a whole 45-minute long thing where I just couldn't get anything working. So now Jax is doing that, but we don't know if that's going to work on his computer since he's running so many more programs. We're just kind of hoping.
Yeah, hopefully this works. We'll see.
We don't know if anything is actually gonna run properly, and if we do end up actually being able to do this and actually make the game, we don't know if we are going to even make a good game. So
yeah, we'll see.
Yay.
We'll see. We'll try. It's not. What? I did place it at the root of my Unity project. Hold on.
Are you having the same issues I was having?
No, it just says. It says deleted.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the same issues I was having.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna actually delete it.
I just dragged around files till it worked. That was probably what caused so many issues.
Yeah. I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna clone it again. Talk about some stuff while I do this.
I was playing BeamNG, and I found out you can change parts on the cars. So my first reaction to this was to find something mid-engine, lightweight, and sporty and fun to drive. And then put a bunch of power and grip into it. So I found an Abishu Covet, the mid-engine model, put a rear wing on it, gave it a ton of power, gave it race suspension, tires, and brakes, put as much weight reduction as I could, and that is... Well, I'm still testing it out as we speak.
Yeah.
It is pretty crazy, and I'm surprised it actually handles really well.
Okay, you know what?
Except for when
I
I'm
have a.
driving it.
I'm gonna scrap this whole GitHub thing.
No more.
No, I'm just
It's
gonna.
taking too long and there's too many issues.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'll make the game, and then if you want to do something, like physically do something, I'll just use Parsec.
Yeah, that sounds about all we can actually do at the moment.
Yeah, or I could just like send you the Unity file and you open it and then you edit it that way.
I don't know. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to do this stream because I used to code Unity. I can't anymore because I took a year and a half break.
Mm-hmm.
And the coding languages I am most familiar with is Java and JavaScript.
Yeah, I mean, this is C Sharp. From what I see, is this kind of similar to JavaScript? Not really, but
It's
yeah.
kind of similar, so it shouldn't be like crazy difficult.
But it's still
I mean,
gonna
at
be
least
kind
it's
of weird.
not actually putting in the individual ones and zeros.
Right. Okay. First of all, we gotta get this. What are we making, a 2D game or a 3D game? Cause yeah.
Your choice. 2D's easier. 3D might be cooler, but more painful.
I'm down for a little
You
bit
know
of
what?
pain,
We're not
but
doing 3D. I remember one time I made a 3D game.
fair
I'm not
enough.
doing that.
Okay.
I made a 3D racing game a long time ago. I'm not doing that again. Nope.
All right. Create
Going to stick
project.
to other people's 3D racing games.
All right. Well, we're making a speed running game, not particularly a racing game, but yeah.
Yeah, it's so Jax. Do you want to tell them about the idea we have for it?
I mean, we don't really have anything.
We don't.
No, I didn't think so. What do we have?
I thought we were doing the one where you basically just warp between walls.
Yeah, I said that was
Warp
that was
onto
kind of too
the-
difficult to do.
Yes or no?
And it's kind
Why
of
would it be though? We don't have to do any movement calculations except for okay, the player goes here now.
Yeah, but also it'd be too easy to dodge enemies.
Huh. But is there anyone in chat? No, I don't think.
I don't think
anyone's in
so.
Chat.
Let's.
Anyone in YouTube chat or?
Nah.
I need to get some
Actually,
cooler.
there's one in both, but yeah, that might. I don't know.
Well, the one.
The one might
Twitch
be me on YouTube. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Zamari, give us a game. Give us a game. Just name any game.
I don't know if they're here.
He was like, I don't know, a little bit ago, like a couple minutes ago.
Do I need to?
I was thinking like a Space Invader style bullet hell, but V didn't really like that idea.
I didn't say I didn't.
You
like that
kind of
idea.
did.
When-
You kind of did say you
When
didn't
did I
like
say
it.
that?
You were like, but I can't think of anything better. Like you were just settling for it.
Exactly. I can't
Yeah.
think of anything better.
It doesn't make it a good idea though. You could do that. Doesn't make it a good idea. If you don't like it, then I would do something else. Let's see. I don't want to make it just a regular 2D platformer like a Celeste or a
We could
Mario
just
or
make
whatever.
It like the grapple hook idea that you had.
Maybe, I mean, I feel like it's kind of hard to incorporate a grappling hook though.
You send out a ray, and then you track when that ray hits. You send out a ray that travels at a certain speed, which could just.
You think I know how to do that?
Grapple hook.
Oh, I could look up a
Then
grappling
you
hook tutorial.
find out when that makes contact with a surface. Then when it makes contact, you stop the ray and pull the player towards that point in a vector.
I'm gonna look up a grappling hook tutorial. A 60-second tutorial. Oh my goodness.
Point ray at wall. See where ray hits wall. Make player travel to that point at a certain vector with a certain speed.
Okay. Once this Unity project loads, I'm gonna make a grappling hook. And that'll be our start. but I'm gonna follow the tutorial.
I also have no clue what Jax is doing right now.
I'm just waiting for the Unity project to load. Really, that's what I'm doing.
Kinda don't
Hold on,
feel
I'm
like
good.
it right now.
I'm gonna share my screen with you once it loads. Right, but now we're just brainstorming. Okay, I have a Google Doc open. I should share that with you guys. Well, not you guys, but I already shared it with UV.
We should
But-
enter a game jam, but then chat decides the idea. Like we tell them,
Absolutely not. Absolutely
oh,
not.
the day of the day that we enter, and then chat just decides the ideas and what we put in.
Absolutely not.
I think we should.
That would be awful. Maybe someday, but not
It's a
today.
great idea.
Not today. Not this one.
Today.
Not this one.
Yes.
Not this one. Not this
Now.
one. Okay, you can see.
Immediately.
Actually, this is my original idea, but we changed it. So, okay. We're making a speedrun game. So, grappling hook speedrun game.
If it's gonna be speedrun, then it should be quite fast.
Yeah, I already know there's a 3D game with the grappling hooks. It's literally called Grapple. I played it before. It's kind of fun. It's
Wait,
pretty
no,
fun.
we found an idea to dodge
What?
to fix the dodging projectiles. Make the projectiles faster, and then
Oh.
also make it a delay. So like when you hold down the mouse button, it kind of that's the range of the teleportation.
Yeah, but
Is
I like
fair?
I like grapple hook more. But if you want teleporting, then we can do teleporting.
That's fine. If
You
don't
sure?
think it works. If you don't think it'll
I
work,
think
probably
I think it'll
won't
work. I just like the idea of a grappling hook more. But we could do
Flip a
teleporting.
coin, call it in the air. I don't have a coin, dang it.
I'm gonna flip a
Alright,
virtual
well.
coin.
No, I'm gonna flip the virtual coin.
Oh, okay then. All right. Grappling hook speed run. Oh no, it does. Oh, it might not be grappling hook.
Call it in the air.
I'm heads.
Alright. And it is heads. Okay.
All right. 2D. Okay. So goal. Get to end of level
Hi, Scrunk.
and kill all enemies. Many.
How are you?
What's up, Scrunk? All right. I think that's a solid goal.
Oh,
I
there's
guess-
a racing event going on right now in BeamNG.
Don't think about it. Don't even think about it. Okay, Unity project is open now. Unity project is open now. So let me share my screen with you guys. We got we got a
I'll
basic
spectate
concept.
it. Maybe I'll
No.
go to the race car.
No.
Oh, I should be getting I'm hopefully getting a CPU cooler soon, by the way, so I might be able to do my own streams,
Eventually.
probably involving cars.
Actually, wait. You guys can just watch the stream to see my screen. Never mind. I don't need
Oh,
a screen share, and that's gonna use less stuff. There's Unity. All right. There we go. And I'd recommend going on Twitch. I turned down the latency on YouTube, but I think it's still better on Twitch. So, first, let's make a grappling hook. And you know how we're going to do that? A YouTube tutorial. Also, oh god, Scrunk stole
Haha,
your
joke's
car
on you.
privileges.
I still have them. Check this. Actually, you can't because I don't have my own stream.
Why is it so fast? Okay.
Why is what so fast?
The thing is okay. Create a new sprite. Okay, fine. All right. Sprite.
I have car privileges.
How? Hold on. Sprites. There's a bunch of different sprites. It didn't. Okay, I'm gonna make a square. Sure. No, I'm gonna make a circle. All right. We've made a circle. Fill my
Circle.
pick was. What are you talking about? What are you saying? Okay. Make it visible. Add 4 components. Circle.
If any of you have a better idea for the character than a circle,
Yeah, I'm gonna change it, but right now it's a circle, or just for now. Let's see. Circle collider. Where I can't spell
Scrunk, we
circle.
don't know what you mean.
Yeah, I don't know what you mean. Circle collider. Uh, distance joint. Okay.
Car demolishing game. I mean, I would make a racing game. I might be able to code that.
Car demolishing game. That involves a bunch of physics, though. That involves a
That does
bunch of
involve a bunch of
physics.
physics.
Yeah.
Jackson or I like making physics engines.
Yeah.
I tried, I failed, and then I tried again, and I did it, but I refused to do that again. That was a painful experience.
Especially not in 3 days. Okay. Add a script. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. I gotta listen to this as well. Hold on.
2D. Add a script called Grappler.
Okay, new script. New script. Grappler.
I'm gonna see if I can open p5.js and just make something.
That could work as well.
Well, so the thing is, I don't know if you can download these files. I remember either I couldn't or it was not fun.
I think you can. I think you can
I
export
think you
them.
might be able to. Why is it not working? Where is the thing where I make? There we go, the web editor. Oh, I remember how much pain this was. This is what I made physics engine on, and dear
Add
lord,
three public fields.
never
Oh
again.
no.
Align when
Okay. Okay, I have all the code. I can just steal it from the description. Let's go.
And so what happened was at the time I wanted to set myself a challenge to make a physics engine without any external help.
Hmm.
Big mistake. I wish I just copied someone else's code.
We want to
I eventually did, and it didn't work. So I kept making my own, and that took way too long, and
enable extent.
I didn't want to make another one anymore.
Alright, save. I've saved the code. And oh, there's a lot of stuff that's wrong. Okay.
Oh
What?
yeah, no, that's just coding. Half the time it works anyway.
Oh my what? Okay.
Usually you can run with a couple errors and it'll work. I don't recommend it. I do it anyway.
Paste.
It does make things worse the more you continue.
I've
make it the object
okay.
is connected with the grapple point.
Got all of it.
I'm going to stylize the line renderer so it
Okay, let's just test it out. And all compiler errors needs to be fixed before you can enter play mode. What? Okay.
I've forgotten every single.
A namespace can not contain direct.
Maybe I should
Namespace
try to
camera.
make my own.
What? What? Jump King S. I don't want to make a 2D platformer though. Just like a regular, like I mean, that's not a regular 2D platformer, but I also don't want to copy an existing game.
camera, a line renderer, and a distance joint 2D. We want to enable and disable the distance joint whenever we click the mouse button.
Okay, do what? What is?
The connected action, which is
What is wrong with the code? It just looks normal. Distance joint 3D. It's 2D. What? Hold on. Let me see if they change both grappling hook. Mate, that's okay. Maybe I haven't played Jump King, but maybe.
A 2D collider, a distance joint 2D, a line renderer, and
Okay, they didn't change any settings with them.
called Grappler.
Script called Grappler. What is distance joint? Distance joint 2D isn't. Oh wait, it is in the code. Never mind. Pogo stuck? Okay, yeah. That could work. Like a vertical one. Okay. You know what? I'm looking at a different tutorial. I'm looking at a different tutorial. This is just the shortest one.
So a while ago, I uploaded a video
Restarting.
called Rated Grappling Hook in 6. Create another
Okay.
material and
Okay.
on the z-axis. More than 1 minute.
Create a new 2D sprite. It's a circle.
Add a rigid body 2D component and freeze rotation on the z-axis.
Freeze rotation on the z-axis. Yeah, okay. You know, do that.
Add a spring.
Rigid body 2D. Gotta freeze the rotation on the z-axis or whatever.
I'm back. Oh. Nearly fell out of my chair.
Where's the freaking thing? Constraints, freeze. Okay, freeze rotation on the z-axis. Just, huh? Yes, it is. Okay.
Just making sure.
I'm gonna try to explain what I'm doing. So freeze rotation on the z-axis just means it can't turn in the third dimension, which is this is a 2D game, so we don't want that. But yeah. What?
You know what would be funny? If there was one point where it just randomly flipped the camera on the
yeah, I want to make a game like make a game like that.
Just like completely invert. Oh heck no, we're not making a physics engine.
No, I'm not.
Sorry, but we're not.
Yeah, we're not making a physics engine, even if it is with ChatGPT.
We're not making.
We are not making a physics.
That's why we're making a grapple hook or teleportation, because I don't want to deal with. Neither of us want to deal with physics.
Yeah.
Last time I did collision physics, where like things bounced off each other. That was about 1.5 years ago, and that was the last thing I coded.
Spring joint 2D.
This is the first time in a hot minute that I'm actually coding.
Wait, what? What
I
am
don't want.
Okay. Enable collision, and switch the this dampening ratio to 1.
And a circle collider. Inside it, create an empty
Circle collider 2D. All right, circle collider 2D. And just if you aren't a programmer, just to let you know, most of coding and programming is just looking stuff up. A lot's basic. Yeah, that's 90% of it.
It's just Control C.
Actually, no. 90% of it is stuff going wrong, and the other 10% is the other 9% is looking things up, and then the 1% is hating yourself.
Hold on, no, I can actually create like a thing for it.
If I make it in Fortnite, I can't upload that.
About 45% of it is things going wrong. About 50% of it is looking up how to solve those problems and just copying and pasting other people's code. And the rest 5% is waiting for it to boot up.
That's fair.
You do not make any code normally.
Decided to create an empty game object called Grand Pivot.
You just wait for other people to make the code for you. Unless you set yourself a challenge.
Gun.
And then you instantly regret that challenge.
Gun pivot.
Will be the parent of the grappling gun.
Make a 2D. What? What?
The game object called Grand Pivot. This game object will be the parent of the grappling gun.
I don't want to make a 3D game again. Do I?
Yeah, no, we're not making a 3D game. Stack Exchange? You mean Stack Overflow? Did you like combine Stock Exchange and Stack Overflow?
I'm very confused. What
No,
are
'cause-
we exactly doing in terms of game?
We're making a game with a platform, a vertical grappling hook platformer game, I think. I can't just make a sprite mask, maybe? Hold on. 2D object.
You know
Sprite.
what? I'm going to quickly whip up an example of kind of what I'm thinking in Scratch, send it over to you, and then just see if you like it or not.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Sprite. I'm just gonna make a square, sure.
Oh, funny story. So, everyone in my class in middle school wanted to play games during class, of course. But we weren't allowed to, and they actually banned everything.
So,
Luckily, or rather unluckily for me, because everyone was just about to be loud and annoying,
oh, I know where this is going.
someone found Scratch,
Yeah.
which people make their own games, and so they ended up arguing. Oh yeah, no, we learn to code, we make the games, and then all they did was just they just played games during class.
Mm-hmm.
The just ignored the entire curriculum.
Yeah, I've done that before, but I also did actually make games as well.
I made way too many games on Scratch
Scratch is
because
surprisingly
if
good for
look,
well
if
not
you want
good.
to get
It's
into coding,
surprisingly in depth.
if you want to get into coding, use Scratch. Do not start out with something that is painful,
Yeah.
and definitely don't start out trying to make your own physics engine.
Oh no, not at all. You don't
No,
want to do that.
no, I'm not even gonna do that. How long have I been coding?
Oh, you know
A
what
good amount of
I'm
time.
gonna do? You know what I could do, actually? I could just download the project and then just work off of that.
Oh, they
All I
changed.
have to do is
What
just
did they?
link it. Okay.
Did
I'm gonna link this. I'm gonna save this project as a source.
They did change Scratch since I last used it. Wow. I can't
How
be surprised.
so?
Last time I used it was an incredibly long time ago.
Oh, okay. I think I've seen modern Scratch, but I don't know how modern exactly.
Some of the menus have different items.
Yeah.
I think there's new coding blocks.
Oh, okay. I didn't actually use it. I just kind of looked at it because I was playing some Scratch games to see how they were. There's a getting over it, but it's made entirely of Scratch objects. It's very good.
Oh, I've seen that.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
probably
no,
why I
people
was
just
using
played Scratch games in class constantly.
it.
And it's like, oh, wow, cool. Can you at least make the games,
No.
please?
Who wants to make a game where you can
Me.
play a game? Exactly. That's
I am that
and look
very
where it
person.
gets you.
It gets you. I'm not gonna say
Pain.
that word
Oh.
because Scrunk is here.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, no, don't say that word. There's a certain word that you're not allowed to say, and it starts with C
If you
and it
say
ends
you get
with AZ.
banned.
With AZ. And you can I didn't say the R, so I didn't even say it fully, but you know what word I'm talking about. AZ? I was AZ once. They
Don't
octa me in
know.
a a ubber with ats. The ats made me
Why the
AZ.
eraser not working?
Okay, the file
I
is
can't
still
make
downloading.
sprites.
Wait,
I've
what? No, it's not.
forgotten how to make sprites.
Well, no, it's extracting. Sorry.
I forget it.
You forgot how to make sprites in
I
Scratch?
don't know how to use Scratch anymore. Oh my goodness.
Dang. It's been that long?
Yeah, it's been that long since I've used Scratch. I at least remembered how p5.js works. I don't know
Mm.
how Scratch works anymore. I just don't. Whoa, this is crazy to me.
What are you? What? 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 Why
What?
is that Scratch code? Because I see the green flag. Start this. What is that? It looks like some Scratch, but
That's
translated
Scratch.
into code. Yeah, I know it's Scratch, but like, what is it? Where
I
did they
don't know
find it?
how to
Where
use
did you find
Scratch
it from?
anymore. This is not how I made my first piece of code. My first piece of code was a website.
That's a physics engine in Scratch. Okay.
This no,
How do you
can I see it again?
how do
Hold
you
on.
paste that in?
You hold on. Green flag, start physics simulation, broadcast, initialize objects when you.
Oh,
So that. Hold on. Object
do a
1
couple
B
lines like
10,
I'm seeing
massive
lost.
object 1 to this. There's gotta be some other things.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, goodness, what am I even trying to make?
What? You're trying to make a grappling hook.
That's right, I am.
Yeah.
So I'm
I
not even gonna have the camera move, I'm literally just gonna have this be like the very, very basics of what I was thinking the game would be.
okay. All right. The
It's not
the
even...
project is 33% done downloading.
Goodness, I don't have... Oh, no.
What?
I really don't know how to use Scratch anymore. Oh no.
Like you're just completely lost in it.
I'm lost. I don't know anything.
Mm.
What the
Let's. Well, while that's downloading, I want to try this now. Let me log. Do I even have do I even remember my Scratch login?
I'm so lost.
Okay, it
I'm
looks the
just gonna
same
use
as when I
P5.
saw it.
I'm just gonna
Actually,
use P5.
oh,
I'm just
okay.
gonna use P5.js.
All right,
That
well,
is
never mind.
easier at this point.
Scrunk. Yeah, we're not using Scratch anymore.
Hold on,
I
no,
mean, he's not using Scratch
I'm gonna
anymore.
use Scratch.
Oh,
I'm
you
gonna use,
sure?
no, I'm not, but I'm gonna try. Because
Okay.
if I relearn it, it's
All
gonna
right,
be way
Scrunk.
faster.
Just DM me the link or DMV the link. Like instead of just pasting it in the chat, because you're just filling up chat with a bunch of code.
Where's the collision?
Yeah, you could. You don't have to paste all of it into separate
Where's the
messages.
collision?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good.
Where's the collision? Where's the bounce physics? Where's the deformation
He
physics?
didn't
Where's the
send all
soft body
the
physics?
what? How? What are you trying? Why do you need all of that? It's Scratch.
You don't.
What are you making?
I'm not making that.
What are you making?
I'm trying to
If
build
that
like
you
the most
need
bare bones.
deformation physics in Scratch, what are you making?
So there was a time when I did try to do that. Don't ever do that. Do not recommend.
Okay then.
0 out of 10 would not recommend. Don't do soft body physics.
Yeah, why? Okay, yeah, soft body physics that makes a bit more sense. But okay,
Unless you know what you're doing.
yeah, soft body physics and Scratch that. But like, why? What do you need? Do you need all of that for all of the things that you listed for? There's a bunch of files that are not copying over, so I'm just gonna say skip to all of them and hope that I don't need them. So, physics simulation with gravity and ground collision. Okay, I just sent you that, V. Thank you, Scrunk.
I don't need it right now. Right now, I'm making the thing, just show you what I'm going for with the game.
Okay then.
You know what I hate making in video games? Convex surfaces.
Ah.
You know what I hate even more? Concave surfaces.
So you just hate all kinds of surfaces that aren't flat.
Yeah, they are kind of annoying to make.
They're annoying, but they're also useful.
They're not undoable. Like I'll do it if I broke the thing.
Oh,
Oh,
I really hope
oh.
that this project actually works because I deleted a couple files. Well, I skipped a couple files.
Why is it broken? Why is everything broken?
That's a great question. Literally
How is it
everything is
broken?
broken. Literally everything is broken.
I broke Scratch. What the?
What are you doing?
I broke. You know what? No, I don't think P5 broke.
You
Scratch broke.
you broke baby's
I.
first game engine.
This is why I stopped coding.
Okay,
Goodness, remember back when we were doing the coding camp and then just everything I touched?
it's just
Everything.
broken.
I don't know how I fixed it. That's the thing. I could fix it back then. I don't
Zamari, have
remember
you
how
ever?
to anymore.
Uh, you gotta build up all that knowledge again.
I gotta remember. Problem, I'm bad at remembering. Always remember.
Always remember.
I
So,
can't. I
Zamari,
forget.
have you ever used Scratch? There should be a Bob Ross for Scratch. True. That's a really niche thing, but somebody's got to be it, and V, it could be you. No, you're too chaotic.
Oh,
You could be the reverse Bob
yeah, I was
Ross.
the what?
The reverse Bob Ross of Scratch. Like, you do everything as
Bob
chaotically
Ross
and loudly
bad
as
ending.
possible.
Bob
Ross
Ross
Bob.
bad ending.
Rob Boss.
Yeah, I don't
Mhm.
think this is happening.
Zamari, have you used Scratch before? Like, I
Scratch
mean,
is
I'm sure they
fun.
probably taught it. I mean, they might have taught it. I don't know what's. I don't
Scratch
know.
is fun usually
It is fun most of
until
the
you
time.
try to make like overly complex creations,
Yeah, and then it gets to be a lot, but a happy
like
little object. Set it to 0.
multiplayer. Just don't do Scratch multiplayer, please.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. No. I don't
Don't.
even know
Just
how
don't.
you would
I
go about
tried.
doing that.
So they have a function where you can broadcast data through a cloud service provided by Scratch. And if you do it efficiently enough, you can have some multiplayer games work. Not very well,
But
but they
they
can work.
technically could work.
Now, the problem is when you force yourself into constraints where you just need to have it be fast enough to where you can have a racing game. Now, I tried that. I tried to just make it track the position, but that didn't work. Also, another issue is just kind of I don't think it is fast enough typically. With some people's computers, it's not going
Hmm.
to happen. People on Scratch don't have high-end computers when they're playing games. Otherwise, they'd be playing other games.
Right.
But I wanted to try it anyway. Um, I would do it again if I remember how Scratch functions. Problem, I don't remember how Scratch functions.
Uh.
So, yeah, it's just kind of if you know what you're doing, then maybe go for it. You can definitely do some things where like just the stats are tracked online,
Hmm.
but typically not something where it's like very high energy, fast paced.
I don't. Okay, Zabari, do you have like any experience with Scratch like at all?
I can't hear Zamari.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying
A little
to.
bit.
A little bit. Okay. It would define a little bit.
Is my audio?
No, he's just muted.
Oh,
Wait, can you? You're.
Drunk,
I
why have
think
you
you're a little
DM'd
bit
me
loud. I might have
the
to turn you down.
physics
So
collision?
I'm gonna turn you down a little bit. There we go.
Me?
No,
How
not you,
loud?
Zamari. He was a little bit loud.
Oh.
The file is
Uh,
97% done.
If I knew how to, I would genuinely try to make something like BeamNG.
hmm I mean, that sounds like that's like a decade-long process for someone who's never done it.
Yeah, I wouldn't right now just because. Oh god, no.
Yeah.
The amount of physics is just way too much. I was playing BeamNG earlier. I forgot to show Jax, but I have this crazy Abishu COVID.
You did say you'd want to make a realistic like gun game.
When?
You said that a while ago.
When? What?
You were like, I want to make a
Hold on.
game with super realistic
Oh,
guns, like
that
old
one, the
timey
VR
guns.
one, like the old timey, yeah.
Yeah.
The one where like you have to make every shot count
Yeah.
because you have to manually reload the entire. But like, oh wow, you aren't just reloading a mag. No, you're manually pulling in the gunpowder.
Right.
You're
I feel
manually
like
pouring in the gunpowder and packing it down.
I
Oh,
feel
and
like
if you
that would
mess up,
work
good
better as a
luck, 'cause
single
you
player
lose
game
health
though.
if you lose health if it goes off in your hand. So
So
good
there's a
luck.
random chance involved. Subway Surfer. I don't know. Make Subway Surfer. I'm not making the TikTok game. Okay, I have to download a new version of Unity, but it's gonna take like 2 seconds. I'm sticking with the idea. We've already got it. I just got to expand upon it. So we got vertical movement, grappling hook game, and
Create Subway Surfer.
you can't see where you're. Yeah, no, I
Strong-
know, because I'm
strong-
not doing anything. I'm waiting for
Strunk,
something to download.
we're not putting Reddit posts on our game.
And that's
This is
how
not YouTube Shorts.
I made a game in 3 days.
And that's how I made an entire Subway Surfers ripoff in 3 days.
First, I downloaded the source code of Subway Surfers. Then I uploaded it to the App Store, and that's how I made it. They all have
I
to
could make a
from that.
racing game that like taught people how to race. I totally would.
You could. You can send the code for Subway Surfers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I'm not gonna rip off Subway Surfers. But I am gonna rip off this person's code and credit them, but also steal it and build off of it. Because I'm such a good guy. It's allowed. It's allowed. Like all you have to do is list.
Oh mother!
You're allowed to use other resources, but
Yeah,
you just
that's
gotta list them. Yeah. So I already Metro Dashers. Mink, 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 mink. Hey. That's not. I can't whistle. V, can you whistle?
No, I
Oh.
can't. I wish I could.
I'm not making a Subway Surfers.
What would I make if I could make? If I made a.
We could both make separate games, actually.
Oh heck no! I'm not developing a game by myself.
Okay. Now I do have a backup plan, but I don't want to go to it. But I do have a backup plan.
What is the backup plan?
You'll see. Okay, if I don't have at least a start by the end of the day, then I'm gonna go with my backup plan tomorrow, which should be easier, not
Easier.
specifically easy. It's a much easier game engine to work with.
Is it Scratch?
No, you'll see. But you'll see. Backup plan is called stealing a well-known IP and profiting from it. And I mean, I'm already gonna do that, but that's unrelated to the game jam.
Wait, what?
So, huh?
Huh?
No, what?
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. What? Why is it? Is it installing?
I want to
Is it
make
not
it.
okay.
You know what I could do? You
What
know what
ca-
I actually couldn't do because I'm not skilled enough to do that.
What's that?
Make a sim racing game, or even just modify a sim racing game to where it has a section where it has a thing where it just teaches people how to race, and it's like voiced and there's challenges. I'm not gonna voice act actually now that I think about it. Nope.
You should voice act.
Yeah, you know, you got me to do that one time.
Wait, hold on. I have an idea. What
Uh-oh.
if you
No,
make an AI?
no.
What if you train AI to make your voice so you don't have to voice act, but it's still your voice?
No.
Oh, a new song. Yeah, I added some songs from my friends to the playlist as well. Voice acting is fun.
I'm gonna be honest, it's not.
It's not. It's fun depending on what you're doing.
Not if you're being forced to voice act by
Yeah.
your
If you're being forced to voice act by your friend, then no.
friend. Jack.
What? What are
Sorry.
you talking about? What are you talking about?
Sorry, I had something stuck in my throat. Sorry.
Yep.
Just gonna.
You know what? I'm gonna try to open it in this version of Unity that I have, which is the newer one, and it might break. If there are voices in this game, then sure, you can be the voice in it.
Scrunk? Yeah. Go ahead. I'm not going to. So, if there's someone else who's willing to make sure Jax doesn't make me the voice actor, that would be very welcome.
Okay. It is
Because
loading.
I'm not sure if anyone remembers what happened last time I voice acted, but
I
I'm not gonna
don't
bring that up.
actually.
Nope.
I don't remember.
Okay, we're definitely not gonna bring that up. Now, I'm not gonna remind you.
No. What is it? What happened? What happened? What happened?
No.
What happened? I'm not gonna make you voice act again. But what is it? What happened?
No.
What happened? What happened? Does anybody?
Did enemies
Frunk,
break,
do you
or
remember?
am I just...
No, you're good.
Okay, no, it's just off-centered, and yes, it's broken. It's...
When did I make you a voice actor?
We're not gonna talk about that.
Wait, it was me. Like I did make you a voice actor, right?
Yes.
Okay, when was that? I'm trying to remember when I made V a voice actor because I remember doing that.
And I'm not going to let you remember because you thought it was funny.
When? When?
No.
What was it for, at least?
No.
You at least tell me what it was for.
Nah.
Why? Was it for a video? Because I don't remember. I would remember that. Probably.
Why should I tell you?
Because I want to know. I already have Visual Studio. Stop. Why is it trying to install Visual Studio a billion times? Stop. What? What?
Install Visual Studio.
I already have Visual
Do
Studio.
it.
I already have it. I already have it. And it's taking a billion years. Voice the character. Oh, you voiced the character named Flippity Floppington McSnortington. I remember that now. It's from my failed animation
I
series.
don't remember that.
You know,
I don't-
Flippity
you had a
Floppington
failed-
Yeah.
What?
The Snork Gobble
Who the heck
Wompa
did you
Womps and
hire
the
to
Adventures of
animate?
Flippity Flopping McSnortington. Me. I
Who
was
did-
animating it. Okay. If this Unity project loads and it doesn't work, I'm gonna revert to my backup plan because I don't feel like spending all day on this. Actually, I changed my mind. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna do something easier but more limiting.
I wonder what that easier but more limiting thing is.
Yeah, well, you might see. Oh yeah, and you were Bumblefizz, Quibbleplump. I
What
was
the?
Storfins.
Did I have
And
my
then
memory removed?
I think PJ was a couple characters. He was Fingles. He was the mayor. He was the mayor's wife as well, which was like that was it was funny because it was basically the same voice except one was just like, well, you know how his wife sounds, but yeah.
I'm
Oh, and
still
Flibberdoodle Wiggle Nugget. Oh yeah, yeah.
I
All
quit. This is.
all of these names,
Oh,
these unironically, they sound like
can I just mention something
Bugsnax
at the moment?
characters.
Can I
Yeah.
just mention something right now?
What's up?
I have just looked over at the stream to look at chat, and I caught a glimpse of how focused I was on trying to relearn Scratch. I have never seen anyone struggle this much with it.
Oh god.
I have lost it.
Okay.
I
It's
have
already
lost it.
open. What do you mean? It's not open. It's not open. I closed out of Unity. It's not open. There's no possible way it's open. Okay, the version installed, so it's not open. Unity, you're drunk.
What am I
I'm
gonna
closing.
do?
Okay.
I'm gonna make a timer.
Now there's no way that it's open.
I'm not
Thank
gonna make
you.
a timer actually. Why am I struggling so much with Scratch? It's Scratch.
Scrunk,
Oh
you're
my
really good at
goodness.
making Bugsnax character names.
I'm struggling over like you're actually coding. I'm struggling to remember how to
I'm not
make a
even
little
actually
ball
coding.
move.
I'm struggling to open the software that allows me to code. That's what I'm struggling to do.
Rotate. How do I? What's the look at function?
It makes you look at a certain
Where's
position.
the look at function?
Did they get
Point
rid of it?
towards. Here we go. Point towards mouse
Oh,
pointer.
it's okay. It's point towards
Okay. That
Unity Package
seemed
Manager.
to fix my issue.
Mm.
Slide one. If 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 if
Can it
if
just
statements or if statements.
Can the project?
I
just
remember
open?
how many if state. Oh no. Did I
Okay,
break
there's some
it?
errors, but
Oh no. Oh no. Everything on Scratch is blurry. Oh. Oh no.
it doesn't sound good.
Did I actually break it?
It's not already open. What are you talking about?
Did I? I swear, if I broke it. Oh no.
Unity, you're drunk.
No, I pulled a V. I just keep breaking software. Even more. Good lord. Stop.
Oh wait, okay, it's loading. V pulled a yeah, you pulled a total Quibble Toss Wuzzle Noodle. That's something he would do. I'm surprised I didn't get you to voice her. She has basically your same personality, except instead of cars, it's fling dongs. You know, the in universe version. Yeah.
Because I don't know what that is.
You know, fling dongs. You don't remember anything about the show?
Nope.
I made like 3 seasons of it. Pitched it to Netflix.
Well,
They said yes, and then it got canceled after 1 season.
Mouse button.
I mean, I call it failed, but it's only really failed because I didn't get to finish it. But I still technically got off the ground.
And then that just goes.
That's more than most can say.
Okay. If statements. If then statements.
What the if you're then statement?
If then statements. If then.
Okay, it's actually importing stuff.
Help.
And Whimsical Klutz. What? What? I don't know why it censored Seuss. Dr. Seuss. Oh, okay. What? Did you spell it wrong or something? Because now, then it let you say it.
What am I looking for?
Oh, it's just doctor. I don't know.
Variables, that's what I'm looking for. Set my variable to 0. Okay,
Importing.
I did it. No, to -1.
Importing.
-2.
Importing. Why is it still importing? You just finished importing and now you're importing more. What else is there to...
Variable
Okay.
to 3.
Okay.
I'm remembering. No,
Actually,
I'm
no,
not. I'm just
I'm not gonna do
figuring it
my
out
backup
again.
plan. Forget. I'm
What
not.
was
That's
your
not a backup plan
plan,
anymore.
actually?
No, don't worry about it. Actually, no, I might. Never mind. But we'll see if this actually works.
Oh wait, I need another if-then statement.
Importing.
My
Okay.
var-
It's like 75% way of the way there. It's going pretty fast. Okay. Keep importing files and don't do it again.
Why am I struggling so much to Scratch? Oh wait, it's because I haven't used
Done.
Scratch in
Ow.
too long.
Let's go.
Okay. You know,
Wait,
I'm
wait.
just not gonna. I can't. Hold on. What are you doing? Actually,
I'll
I don't.
Oh no, there's errors. What are the errors? What?
How many errors?
What?
Oh.
There's so much code. There's so much code. Hold on.
Let open Parsec. Just show me the screen.
No. There's only
No,
4
no.
errors. Look, there's only. Hold on. I'll show you
4?
guys. Look. There's only 4. There's only 4 errors. Oh no, there's more than. Okay, never mind. That's a lot more than 4 errors. A lot of stuff
Yeah.
just failed
Can
to
you
load.
show it to me?
Hold on. Look
Failed
on
to load.
stream.
It's
Yeah, a
probably
lot of failed
calling
to
the wrong
load,
file.
and also some other stuff.
The directions to the file might be not
Yeah,
correct. You might have to manually reset those.
but
If
there's
that's...
more. Hold on. If I go to
This anime is broken. Did I break it again? How did I break it again? I didn't even
unable to
touch anything.
find assembly,
Oh no!
I'm just gonna close out of this code.
I'm a fool. I am foolish.
Oh, you can only see the actual game. Wait, hold on.
I feel stupid. I didn't even plug in my ring light.
Let me go. Yeah, your mouth is just hanging open.
Uh.
I'm not actually streaming
Oh great! And now I'm.
Unity.
What's happening now in anime is what's happening. Better. Not good, but better.
Screen capture. There. What? Why is it only showing the game? I don't want just the game. I want the code part too.
What is? Can you show me what's failing to load?
You can only see the game though. You can't see the actual screen.
No, like could you stream it to me on
Scene.
Discord?
But if it's not gonna work here, then there's no point. Okay, I'll show it to you, but
Just
okay,
show it
wait,
to the
now
whole
it's
screen
working.
on
Now it's
Discord.
working. Yeah, let me do
What's
this. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
Dr. Seuss rhyme? Sure.
I see a tab.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's being weird.
What the? Yeah, I can't fix that.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening. Oh, I see the top of. Oh no, that's nothing.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go with my backup.
What is your backup plan?
Oh, you're about to see. Because there is another game engine that's simpler. It's not Unity. It's made
Where's if mouse down?
yeah. It's made for RPGs.
Ah,
Yeah.
just gonna do that.
Yeah. It's not RPG Maker. It's not RPG Maker. It's more in depth than that. But let me find it. There it is. It's called
Motion.
RPG in a Box. It's not called Motion, and it's pretty cool.
Oh, I broke. I broke. Oh no!
How did you break it?
I pressed the green flag.
Oh, you started the game to break the game.
Go to this.
They're making a new game.
Right here. No. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop it. 221151.
IcoJam2023. Yeah. Just take it on my desktop. Make it on my desktop. Wait, how do I? Oh God. On game. Alright, at least that.
I'm very confused.
Oh, it's not
dear.
capturing. Hold on.
No, that's not supposed to be what's happening. Oh boy.
Build box.
Why is it-
No.
What the heck? Why is it moving negative velocity?
What?
I
What-
can't even code and
There we
scratch
go.
anymore. Oh
what-
god.
Oh, I didn't mean to play it. No, I didn't want to play it.
I can't even code and scratch anymore. Something's wrong.
I think you just forgot.
Set my variable.
No, don't
to 0.
export it.
There we go.
Okay. Bam.
Okay.
This is.
Okay.
You don't have much so far. This is basically it's just grass.
And then event.
It's just grass.
It's just grass.
It's just grass so far. But first, before actually building a level, I'm gonna build the level mechanics and stuff. So we got our guy.
Should have a test level.
This is the test level. It's just so far. It's just grass.
Oh, it broke.
And we got a basic character right here who I'm not gonna edit just yet. Oh, we got our combat system. We got our stuff.
Oh no.
Let's see if I can make an. Let's see if we can make an enemy.
How did I break Scratch though? Like, that's.
You can
I
break
have-
anything. You specifically can break anything if you try hard enough.
Yeah.
Alright, voxel based. Okay, what kind of enemies should I make? What should the enemy of this game be?
Box.
No.
Box.
No.
Box.
I'm not making it a fucking
Box.
box. No.
Box.
Zamari, you got anything?
The box, man.
Give me what's the thing
Welcome to
that
PUBG.
what's my greatest fear?
Oh,
I mean,
who wants to see a bottom gear stream?
I don't think I can make a 3D representation of dying alone. Rats? No. I'm good. That's not my greatest fear actually, but it's one of them.
Who wants to see bottom gear stream?
But you have to do but people don't even know what that is.
You don't know what that is.
Alright. I'm not making rats because they're
Welcome to
gross.
Bottom gear. Tonight.
Let's see, what do we got?
Silent electric car. Hammond uses a fucking toilet and James commits arson.
Just make a bug. Just make a bug, a simple bug. Oh, I didn't mean to make it this. Okay, make it shorter than that. You guys are gonna see my modeling skills, my voxel modeling skills on full
I don't
display.
think they exist.
Oh,
To be
really?
honest.
You're about to see him. All right. So for this bug, we're gonna make a. I'm gonna make kind of like an endermite kind of thing, but let's make it a different color. Actually, let's make a green bug. Where's the delete tool? Frick. Crap. What? Where's what? I haven't used the software in a minute. Not a second. But, oh, there. Okay, there are the
I've
tools and stuff. All right.
I've forgotten so many things about how Scratch works.
All right.
It's genuinely impressive. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh
What
dear.
is
Oh
the how
dear.
much you've forgotten?
Oh no. The only thing holding this thing in place is
Oh,
how
oops.
broken it is.
I don't think something being broken is gonna hold it in place.
No, it's no,
Let's move it
it
up.
is broken.
Let's make
If where's the if statements?
another.
I need more if statements.
There we go. It's some kind of. It's something.
Oh, that's what I could have done.
It looks more like a frog actually. Should probably paint it a different color.
Broadcast message one. No, no, I can't do that.
It's
Never
too
mind.
dark. That works.
I need more if statements.
Let's get a darker color. Maybe this.
I have turned this into. Hold on, what's my most complex Scratch games? I'm actually curious because I'm struggling right now to remember how I used it. I remember I had this bonkers game. Like, actually, it was really impressive.
Mm-hmm. No, I like. Okay, I like the other ones more. Never mind. There we go. Oh, whoops.
It was an actually impressive game. I'm not even kidding. Like, it nearly had
Created a bug for
multiplayer, I
me.
believe.
Where?
It has its own grip system, like for the
Ooh.
cars. It has
Okay, I'm gonna
a
use
friction
Skrunk's
engine.
sketch as an
Heck,
idea.
I even had a like power band thing for the engine, and
What do you
I
mean? Power band.
I made it on Scratch. So basically, what happens in an engine when you build revs, even though you're at full throttle, you're not always at full power, and that's because there's not a bunch of the higher you get in the revs, the more explosions are happening per second. The more explosions happen per second, the more power you get from those explosions because there's more of them happening.
Mm-hmm.
Now in the lower revs, that it isn't happening as much, so you don't build as much, you don't have as much power. But as the revs build and build more, you don't have as much when you get to a certain point because then the air resistance from the intake and the exhaust get too much, and it just like slows the engine down.
I didn't get most of that. Oh shit, that
Yeah,
looks
you don't
awful.
have to.
All right, we're
No, I
starting
can't
over.
find it. It was a genuinely impressive game too. Dang.
Do you think it's still up?
No, I don't even know if I
Oh.
posted it.
Oh.
I think I was working on a multiplayer,
Mm-hmm.
and that's where I got stuck and didn't touch it anymore.
Gotcha.
So
Let's move this up. Ooh, up. Okay.
there's the not function. There's the not function.
All right. Trying to make like a kind of a sphere. Not really.
And then I tried to make. I decided, well, if I'm doing this, I should try to make something similar, but 3D and in a different coding language where I get more control over things. And that's where I stopped coding.
Uh-huh.
Because I that challenge to myself just kind of, I don't want to do that
Think
again.
about that. Yeah.
It's nice to think, oh yeah, I did it. It's not nice to think, oh goodness, what did that do to me? I
Let's
think
make it one wider,
if
and then delete.
this is a
this
very
part.
simple thing and it already has a ton of if statements.
Oh, maybe it's not as simple as he thought it was.
It is very simple, and I'm still struggling. I'm bad at coding now. Yeah, maybe it was the wrong move to pull me into this project. Is there
It's not
anyone else
about
who knows
coding. It's about the ideas.
the ideas? I have none except for a.
And you're interesting. Okay, we got we got a very good looking start to
What
this.
in God's name is that? What have you done?
Oh, okay, hold on. You're right. I should probably change the color. No.
What is that thing?
Yeah,
That
let's
ain't
make
a
it
bug?
orange.
Wait. So set
Okay.
my
Oh, whoops. Make it
if this equals this
okay.
negative,
Got it. Head.
no, let's set that to -5 instead of -20.
Now let's make some sort of body. Gonna start with just a big old rectangle.
I did it.
What did you do? Actually, I'm gonna make a snake. Never mind. Thank you, Scrunk, for the sketch. But I'm gonna make a snake. That might be easier. A snake-like thing.
Oh boy. What else can I possibly break?
Whoops, that's not okay. Show the stream. What do you mean? Oh, your sketch.
Why am I so good at breaking
Hold
things? I
on.
don't want to. No. Stop it.
I gotta save. Hold on a second.
Why? Okay.
Need to save the actual file.
I'm not the happy.
What? What happened?
I broke things.
You're gonna do that. You're gonna do that a lot. So I don't think you should
I
get upset
broke
about that.
Scratch engine.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah, you can
it's
break
broken.
anything. How do you not know this? You specifically can break anything.
It no longer functions. I have to
What?
make it look janky and awful. It's just bad.
All right, hold on, Scrunk.
It somewhat functions.
Bam.
It's
Actually, I'm gonna leave that as a
semi-functional.
as a reference. Let's leave that as a reference. Somewhere. Sure, right here. And that's what I'm trying. I guess I'm gonna try
Wait
to
a
go for.
second, I remember an old trick I used to use. Set everything to half value.
Okay, let's delete a little bit of this.
Everything to half value, and instead
Oh shoot.
of that, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's the movement? All right, move 10 steps.
Why is it that
My
tall?
variable steps twice. This should give it more time to yes, it does. It's smoother movement and it's less glitchy. Never
There we
mind.
go. What?
Gosh dang it. So I used to use an old trick in Scratch where instead of having it be a higher value for the steps traveled, you just have more steps travel, or you have more move blank steps blocks. That would give it more movement and it would actually save you some pain when it comes to the movement.
Mhm.
Problem is, I am physically incapable of doing that now, and I don't know why.
Of doing what? Just
Of
like
actually,
completing it, or
yeah, I can't. I'm bad at it now. I can't remember how I did it.
I watched some tutorials or something. Oh no, I gotta move this up. There we
Aha.
go. That's
Aha!
yeah.
Ah!
That's
I did it.
something.
I did it. Oh.
Nah, I think we're making a
oh,
snake.
no.
I think we're making a snake. Something, some kind of slithery
Okay.
thing.
You know, after I've just realized what I've done is pointless because you've already moved on to a different idea.
What are you doing?
Gosh. The first idea, the grapple hook mechanic.
Well, you could make that. You could
Well,
submit
I'm
that.
not going to because all I know is friggin' JavaScript right now, and that's gonna be painful.
You could make that in Scratch. That's the
I
wrong color.
broke Scratch. It won't work in Scratch.
You can make it in P5. No, no, I wouldn't do that.
No, that's the only thing I can do.
Oh,
Because
okay.
Unity won't work. And this is the only other coding language I know without dying instantly.
This
that's
is
the only thing I
no, we're
can
not
do.
doing that.
I'll see if I can. I don't know. I don't know what I'm just gonna make a I'm not gonna enter the game jam.
This is awful. You should.
I'm just gonna. Well, I'll enter the game jam when I have an idea for the game jam.
Okay.
Wait.
Well, that's your. There you go.
No, that's not. No.
Yeah.
No.
This is why I'm not a game developer and don't plan on being one. Because I'm not a good one.
You're
Oh.
not a good game developer. I'm even worse.
Oh, but delete. Why is anything selected? I didn't select anything. Deselect
I remember
everything.
one time when I made a game that was entirely built out of just vector lines.
What do you mean?
So it was literally just it was a different game I made. I copied all of the code except now there was a parent vector line. There was a parent object, and then there was vector lines that were connected to it. The only difference was that it ran worse and looked worse.
Ah.
It was just bad.
Okay, this is
But
something.
It was neat.
Alright. So, let's see. Let's stop. Stop. Are there like 3 of them? Okay. Bug. And we got our player character.
You could probably run a lot of old games on phone. You can run a lot of old games on phones. I just don't know a way to actually get them onto phones. They definitely have enough computing power.
Okay, this is our enemy. It gives you 10 XP points. You don't have any loot yet, but yeah.
How did I do the camera and how did I move around the camera? I don't even remember. Nor do I bother anymore. Oh no, nope, not doing that.
Test.
Nope, I've just remembered how I did that. I am not doing that again.
Tactical turn
Screw that.
based. Battle map
Don't
overworld.
care if I close the window and all my progress isn't saved. I'm not making another moving camera. Nope.
Okay, let's test this. What have I not saved?
So
saved.
if no one knows why I'm not making another moving camera, the coding language that I'm using, last time I tried to make a moving camera, what happened was you had to control the tilt, the pitch, the yaw, and the roll. However, each of them were controlled by 2 values, and each value all of them kind of affected the other if you messed it up. So what you would end up with was a camera that would desync from the movement of the object that you were trying to follow if you messed it up. So eventually I just tied it to that object only controlled the angle. However, because now it was also having to account for the angle of the object, I also had to put that into the code because it was over rotating. But then I had to adjust everything else and all of the other values because guess what? That's also going to get messed up because if I change one, I have to change all of the others. So it was just this huge process of just testing and failing and testing and failing and testing and failing. I don't remember how to do it. And
Long
I'm not
story
doing it
short,
again.
it's just a pain. It's a huge pain.
So yeah, that's.
Okay.
Oh, and yeah, that was the same project where I made the racing physics engine, the one after the Scratch racing engine.
Mm-hmm.
So there was that, along with having to make the car have a vector axis that would calculate for the collision with a wall, along with a model that would kind of just track which corner hit the wall and at what angle and what velocity so that it could bounce off properly. Then
Mm-hmm.
there was also the velocity, speed, and transmission, and just no,
It's just not worth it.
no, no, not for me.
Why?
Heck no.
Why is it? No.
Did you
isn't it?
break
There we go. No,
did
it's
you
fine.
break the thing?
No, it's fine. It's fine now.
You broke the thing. Let's
No,
go.
it's fine. No, I didn't break it. I didn't break it. I didn't break it. I didn't break
This
it.
is why I stick to race cars. This is why I stick to
The
mechanical engineering. I don't know how Jack still does software side of stuff and not completely lost his mind yet.
Cause it's fun.
I get it that it's fun, but it's just you don't get to work with your hands on something, and then additionally,
And there's
it's
less of a
just
possibility
the
of dying
same.
if you get it wrong.
Yeah, well,
Cause like if you mess up software, then oh no, my computer doesn't
okay,
work.
but
If you
like,
mess up
what's gonna
hardware, you
happen?
blow up and die.
I, I
You
mean,
get a
yeah, we
calculation
have
wrong,
engines that
and
are
now you've
mildly
made a nuke.
explosive, but it's fine. It's not like I'm gonna build an afterburned turbojet and I get the calculations wrong and it blows up right in my face while I'm trying to start it up.
See, that doesn't
No,
happen
that's
with
never happened.
software. That doesn't happen with that's happened before.
Not to me.
Oh, I was gonna say, how are you alive?
I have had creations of mine blow up in my face. I made a spring-powered something or other. I think it was a spring-powered car thing.
Mm.
Long story short, the popsicle stick that I was using to hold the spring wasn't strong enough. I tried to double it
It
up.
doesn't sound
Wasn't
like it
strong
would
enough.
be.
So that is kind of boink.
Blew up.
I've also modified a ton of Nerf guns, and I have cuts all over my hands from that.
Mm-hmm.
Just the springs are not fun to when they don't like you, and usually they don't like you. So just be careful around springs. Be careful around anything that stores energy. Just
Mm-hmm.
just don't. Do not.
What? Where's the? Why is it not say? Oh, it's an object. Okay.
Why is
Alright.
the game voxel based? By the way, I'm just asking.
That's just how this thing works.
That's just how it looks.
Unless it's 2D. Unless you make it 2D.
I've made a. If you're gonna make something that's 3D, just I would recommend making it faux 3D, which is basically a 2D game, but then you just
No, that's what this
angle
is. That's
angle
what
the
this is.
camera differently, and then
Pretty
also
much.
just have 3D models instead of 2D textures. That's really what it's a 2D game, but you just slapped some 3D looking things on it.
Mm-hmm. What?
It's like if you have a really nice computer case, but then the internals is just normal, average office stuff.
Where's the item? Oh, there's the item editor. Okay. So I'm just gonna use this temp model as the model. It's not a tool. Equipable.
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm
The
gonna do
weapon.
something that I'm probably going to regret.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make a game.
Oh, you should do that.
I'm gonna regret it, and it's gonna be the end of me. And it's gonna take months, but I'm going to make a game.
Okay.
It's
not
I'm
consumable.
gonna give up at like 5 seconds in. I'm
Can't
not
be
gonna
dropped.
make anything.
You. How do I object
Even
model
in
the
the
sword? Okay.
sword. Wow.
Okay. And the vox map editor.
Do you plan on the sword just like being generic swinging kind of thing, or do you
I'm just
want to add
testing
more
it out.
detail?
I'm gonna add more detail to it, but I'm just testing it out for now. Sword.
Sword.
Okay.
Knife.
I'll show you. I'm not gonna show you guys the test screen yet until it actually is something to show. Because right now it's nothing. That's not a sword. That's a person.
Sword.
Oh, I didn't save it. There we go. Quick. Okay. Actually, hold on. Let me just. Hold on. Actually, I can do
How
this.
did I do this? Where's the box function? Where's box? Where's
I'm
box?
just gonna do display capture
Books.
so you can see everything. There we go.
Rectangle.
Performance
Box
mode.
was 3D. Oh heck no, not 3D.
Okay, let's try out this. You got a menu. Okay, sword. Can I equip it? No.
30, 20.
Why can I not equip it?
Should I make it 3D?
What, the
Should I make
game?
a 3D game?
Yes.
Should I?
Oh, I didn't put down the
really-
object. I just put down a model
not
of the
gonna.
object. Oh my god. Okay.
I'm not.
How
Gonna.
do I, how okay. Items. I didn't save this. Save. Save. Item. Sword. Okay. Doesn't have any custom things. How do I give the player the sword? Okay. Item editor. Let's see. Probably number of uses. Combat systems. Real-time combat. Yeah.
Combat systems.
Okay.
Oh, if you're wondering why I'm looking off to the side so much this stream, it's because I have the Twitch stream pulled up on a second old like 2000s monitor that's off to the side
Combat editor.
because and I'm not able to look. Wait a second, I can just move that to the main screen. What am I thinking?
Okay.
I wasn't thinking.
Start battle editor combat.
Why do I like how it looks on the old monitor?
What? Because you're used to it, probably. Let's try
I
menu.
haven't used this thing in. I don't think I've ever used this thing.
Victory.
Why do I like
Drag and
it?
drop
It
animation.
looks better.
Bug.
How?
Fixed.
Why? Why
How do
does
I
the old
start
monitor
the
look?
battle? What is
Turbo,
this?
as in turbocharger, the thing that you use on an engine to force more air into the engine, thus making more power?
Okay, start battle. Okay. So I gotta go in the not document. Okay. Start battle. Where do I put that?
He doesn't know the lore. I don't have lore
What?
to know any lore.
Yeah.
I just
I don't know.
started
I don't know the
existing.
lore either. Where? What?
So Jax has tried to get me to create lore
What?
for myself
Yeah. Sorry.
several times, many times actually, and each time I just say no. I have started existing at some point. I wear a red jacket, black pants. I like cars. That's it. I exist.
How
And
do I actually?
think
Do
he's
it?
finally come to accept that I am too uncreative with that kind of stuff.
So there's no lore, technically.
I don't have lore. I just exist.
Okay. How do I do it though? How do I?
Oh, that's right. You can import textures onto things in this. I'm
Okay,
not
there's an
going to do
enemy.
that. That sounds like
Can I do
bad.
something about it? Huh? Sorry. I'm trying to focus on this, but I don't know how to do it. Combat. Editor. Battles. Okay, player spawn. Terms of place. Battle type. Wait, is real time added in yet? Oh, behavior settings. Wait. Oh, wait. Behavior settings. An NPC. Okay. Could a comically large
Comically
spoon?
large spoon.
Maybe if I can.
Nah.
Okay, not map pro. It's not.
You should use a frying pan as the weapon.
I don't. I need to figure out how to actually do things first. How do I make an NPC?
I forgot how to 3D model things.
There's no. How do I
I
get
used to be a lot cooler of a person, I've just realized. Like, I could actually write code 3. I could make a whole game, and now I just kind of exist
I mean, you
and
could
drive
still
cars
do it.
fast. Actually, I don't know which one's cooler. Probably neither is cool.
They're
we'll go with
relatively,
that.
both of them are pretty cool.
Well, like, how, though?
Cause
'Cause how?
they're
I
cool.
just exist.
Exactly. You
I don't understand.
what?
What?
I mean, not everyone can say that they can move a hunk of metal very fast and not kill themselves.
Well, technically, I'm not moving it. The engine is.
Well, yeah, but you're causing it to move
Well,
by
no, that would be the
operating it.
combustion
By
reaction
operating it.
inside
By
the
operating it.
cylinder. A
Without
reaction
you,
that
it's
is
not gonna
formed of a
move.
hydrocarbon and. No, actually, it could if the throttle gets stuck open.
Yeah, I mean, but it's also probably gonna crash,
Maybe.
and they're not gonna. It's not gonna win the race.
But yeah, but am I really a cool person? Is that.
Pretty cool.
Nah.
How do I edit an NPC? Okay, that's a character. How do I? I don't want to put you down.
Dead.
How do I?
I'm looking at the
No.
options and I can't tell what any of them do. Make the grimace shake as
I
a
can't
power-up.
even
Scrunk!
make the Scrunk. You're giving. I don't need ideas. I need to know how to do things.
Scrunk, you're gonna. McDonald's gonna.
Right click. That's not doing anything.
I wonder what even would it do, Scrunk? What would the grimace shake? What could it possibly do? What could it possibly offer?
Kill you. It's gonna kill. Oh. Okay. I figured it out. Start battle. Battle test. Okay.
We need who does anyone in I think it's only Scrunk on Twitch. I'm actually gonna pull up YouTube real quick.
Oh no.
Um,
Yeah, I think it's
does
this one.
anyone in either chat want
There's no
to,
theme yet.
Does anyone in either chat want to see a bottom gear stream?
I'm not
essentially?
doing a bottom gear screen.
Well,
stream.
too bad. What if I give you $10?
No.
Why
I can't.
not?
I can't. As I don't want to do a bottom gear.
What if I
stream.
give you $10 anyway?
Well, then I'm gonna give it back to you.
No.
Yep.
Well, what if I give you $10 anyway again?
Why? What am I doing? What am I? No, I'm not gonna take it
Why wouldn't you?
Because I don't want your $10.
But you get $10.
I don't want it though.
But bottom gear stream funny.
I'm not doing it. Attackable in real time. Always hostile.
Welcome.
Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Seething and balding. Well, you're teething and molding. Okay.
We wouldn't need a third person.
Yeah.
Strong.
But
Strong.
yeah. I'm not doing it. You
Why?
can do one, but I'm not being in it. Because I don't know anything. I don't do bottom
have
gear.
the ability to.
Well, that sucks. It's not. Okay, hold on. That's not what I meant to do. Hold on.
What if we just? What if we just
What?
What if we play the long drive on stream? Sometime?
Yeah,
some
sometime.
point.
Sometime. Try something else.
Welcome to bottom gear, mates. Tonight, I drive a Senate electric car. How many uses a fucking toilet and James commits arson?
Let's try
Let's try
this default. Hold on.
Beam NG, but like
No.
with every program we can find on our computers open.
No,
let's see
I'm
whose
not.
computer
No, that's
bursts
awful.
into flames first.
I'm never gonna do that. No, shut up, Scrug. Oh my god.
What? I'm confused.
Ugh. No, okay, no, that was kind of funny. That was kind of funny. But no. But I'm not burning my computer purposefully. I'm not burning my computer purposefully.
What did the Skrunk say and why?
Don't worry about it.
Why is it?
No.
Well, now I'm worried about it.
No. No.
Wait, there's 4 people watching. Hello.
What? No, there's not. There's only 3.
Oh, I see 4.
Oh, well, I guess my thing is broken.
That or my thing is broken. My computer is more likely to be malfunctioning.
Fair enough. Is it? Why can't I? Okay, I'm gonna remove this game, create a new game.
What happens if I reload the page?
IcoJam2023.
Yeah, mine was broken.
Just make it there. Just make it there. Select. Okay.
Who wants to see Jax try to build a car in the long drive?
I'm not a
Then
famous
attempt to drive it.
developer. Not today. Eventually. Just wait. Okay.
Bottom gear.
What does this have in it already?
Welcome
I'm
to
not a
bottom
famous
gear.
game developer.
Wait, is there?
and I
Okay,
hope-
is something wrong with my computer? Because now it's saying the 6 people watching. What's?
What? There's not.
I,
6 people.
I reloaded
Why?
the page.
Why is
again.
it so loud? Oh my god. Stop. 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 No. Close. Jesus Christ. Okay. Sorry. What
My
were you saying?
computer is really wonky. It's saying there's 6 people watching again. It just jumped to 6 randomly. Why?
What?
Why?
I don't know.
There's 3 people.
Yeah, now there's 3. I
Do
should
an
do an
ARG.
ARG. Yeah, no,
No.
I kind of already have started that.
There are 6 people.
So magic mushrooms appear to be taking
No,
a
there's
toll.
3. I keep
Yeah, no, there's
reloading the
only-
page
there's
every
only
time
3.
Every time my computer is just really. You know what? It's probably all of the times I nearly broke it earlier.
I'm gonna turn down the sound on this way down.
Apparosity, where are you? It's saying there's 6 people again.
It's
I'm just
there's
gonna leave
only.
it.
I'm pretty sure that there's only 3.
Yeah, it looks like there's only 3. I'm guessing it's registering everyone twice for some reason.
Yeah.
So
I turned
bottom
down the. Oh,
gear.
there we go.
Bottom gear.
I'm not doing bottom gear.
Bottom gear.
You are using.
Apparosity.
I already know
Earlier
you're
to,
using mushrooms.
Earlier today, I tried to help Jax code the game. And that didn't work very well because my computer, for whatever reason, just broke down and it was not having any of it. It got mad.
And it did not like it at all.
It 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 deleted files randomly. I'm gonna say that. Well, no, it didn't delete files randomly, but it just kind of didn't work very well.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna do that again.
Let's see.
It crashed or almost crashed more than once.
Oh, now there's
Five.
five.
Yeah, it does say
Where?
there's 5 right now. It does say there's 5 right now.
Oh my god, this is awful.
Yeah, no, there were 5 people. Now there's 4.
This is awful.
There were actually more people watching for a second.
Oh, now it says 5. Okay.
Now it says 4 for me.
What is okay? Okay. So this is a start. This is a start. I'm gonna no
Okay. Why does animes think I'm mad?
delete because you are always
I'm
mad.
not mad. I'm just disappointed.
Okay, we're deleting the overworld. Delete.
Oh, I've just looked directly into my light.
Delete. Did I not delete it? What? What?
No, it won't.
Yeah, absolutely not.
No, it
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I don't even know, because Unity just wasn't working at all.
Unity just... Well, it wasn't necessarily Unity, it was GitHub.
Yeah, it was GitHub, actually, yeah.
It was GitHub that my computer disagreed with on every
So we
single
couldn't
step.
use that, and now this is just like it's being
Wait
weird.
a second, that means I can still code in Unity. What am I thinking? I'm stupid.
Don't understand it. Hold on.
Yeah,
Delete.
I can move the taskbar.
Okay. Make a new test map.
I was
The new.
finding out the new Minecraft.
If I was
update.
playing the new Minecraft update, I would have made a new type of grass block that's purple, and when you walk on it, it has particle effects, and that's the new
I would have
update.
made minecarts faster.
No, that's too good. That's too big of an update. You gotta make it. You gotta think like Mojang. You gotta think like Mojang. You gotta make it the smallest, most menial, meaningless update possible. The one, and you gotta have a mob vote, and then pick the mob that literally nobody wants. You gotta rig it so that the worst mob wins. The sniffer,
I'm gonna turn
terrible
Minecraft
mob,
into
should
PvP.
never have won the game. I hate the sniffer. The sniffer sucks. The sniffer can go die. Anyways,
I just play older versions of Minecraft because I don't know why. I just like the way it looks more.
Okay, I'm making no. Well, how old are we talking?
1.8.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm one of the people who actually likes 1.9 combat. Like, I think it's better
mean-
to just do that than to just straight up just to spam
Yeah.
click.
Spam clicking isn't fun.
Yeah.
I don't know why I gravitate to 1.8, but I just do. I actually don't know why.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm
Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's
don't play
something.
much Minecraft anymore though because it doesn't work on my new computer because for whatever reason I have to pay for it again after paying for it the first time on my first computer that I had it on.
Yeah, sometimes it just does that.
So I have to pay for Minecraft twice.
Okay, let's just test this out.
I will say it's not as expensive as it's still nowhere near as expensive as buying a new gaming computer. I'm still really happy with this one.
What? Why is it?
$200 and it plays BeamNG.
Yeah. That's more than a lot of
We
That's
need to
more than
find a
lot
messy
of them
ponytail hair
laptops
model
can
for
ask.
me. We need to make one.
We need to do a lot of things, actually.
Like code
Oh,
the
the
freaking game.
overworld.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's 654.
Okay. Overworld.
Real man use Mario Maker 2 for game design.
I don't want to give up, but this seems kind of hopeless. What do you mean map overworld does not exist? I just made it.
Is dead. Should I just like leave? Because I feel like if I leave, everything is gonna like fix itself magically and nothing's gonna be
No.
broken.
No.
Got it. Why?
It's like a skill issue because I like having you here.
But why? I keep breaking everything by just merely existing. I broke your stream when I came on here.
Yeah, but you're making this more tolerable.
There's 3 people.
You're making this a lot more tolerable for me and
I
for the
don't get
viewers.
how I do that.
Because you're interesting.
I am
And I'm-
intolerable. I am.
It's not even
Is
loading.
my window fan breaking?
What?
My window fan is actually losing power.
That's not good.
No, that's bad. That's the only thing I have to cool myself down.
Why you could? It's why not instead of buying parts for your car, you buy a new fan. You need more people to insult Mr. Short? No, you don't.
Race car.
No, you don't. I'm not even gonna read
Race
that scrum
car.
because I don't. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean
what
the
does
map
who
doesn't
mean?
exist?
Oh.
It's
It
the
means
the-
that it doesn't
map is
recognize the
right
map because it's
here.
directory in the file
It's
that
right
does not
here.
lead to the
It's
right.
the only map in the
uh,
game. It's the only map in the game. So there's it has to exist because it's the only one.
See, I can't help with this. All I know is that it's not directing itself to the overworld map.
Hold on.
Oh, you broke. Oh, the
Wait.
stream was. Oh.
What happened?
Did anyone else see that? Hold on, I'm going to
Scrunk.
clip that.
Yeah. Stop.
Hold on, I'm clipping that.
I don't know what you're saying, so I can't moderate it. So I'm gonna be on the safe side and delete it. Rainbow stream.
I break.
Yeah,
so
I
many
want to see that clip,
programs. I
and it's
broke
still
your
broken.
stream.
Okay, it's still broken.
Oh, oh my goodness!
It looks fine on
I
YouTube.
found it.
Yeah, I know it's German, but I don't. Yeah.
No, I found the German. Hold on, what's in German? What is in
Scrunk.
German? I know
Well,
like
not
a
anymore.
very limited amount of German. Like I can form forward sentences.
How will this actually work?
I found
Oh,
the
okay, it's
point at which
actually
it
working.
broke. I found the point at which the
The combat isn't
stream
working though.
decided to break.
Oh yeah, I want to see that.
I can send it to you when we're done.
Yeah, I don't.
'Cause it is.
No, I just gotta
It
actually
full
add
on
combat.
broke. Like the visuals were just messed up.
What do you mean?
I mean the visuals on the stream broke. They died.
No, the Minecraft
I
dev
can-
team, they feel none of this stress.
Oh, that, not me. Okay, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Hello?
You should have and Among Us. What? What are you saying? Can you like speak like use real words? You should and Among Us. I don't know what that means. You're just speaking gibberish.
Oh, like raise cash.
Okay, I can tell. Goblin. No, 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 no,
What?
no, no. No one better. No one say it. No one say it. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. No one do it.
What happened?
Apparosity, shut
What
up.
happened?
Apparosity, shut up. I
What
said
happened?
the G
What
word.
happened?
I got
Oh,
myself.
I see what happened.
I got myself. God damn it.
Okay, and
I got by myself.
what about it?
I got. That's
So?
what it. So I got. That's it.
And what does that do exactly? What
Now
how
I
much?
have
What does that mean?
now I have it's nothing actually, but it's just funny.
Exactly.
It's just funny. Okay, now combat. No, it doesn't work. You have to do it now. We'll see about that. Anyways, okay, you got an enemy. No, let's change this. It's not a bug. It's a goblin. I already said it, so if you can't do,
Gameplay?
you
There
can't
is
get
no
me twice.
gameplay.
There's no
This
game.
is
There's
making
literally
the
no gameplay.
This is making the game to record the gameplay.
And the gameplay isn't so far is non-existent.
We're not playing Among Us.
I'm not. Yeah. I'm.
Scrump. No.
Actually, we should play Among Us eventually. Not today. Maybe.
Oh
sometime.
gosh.
Okay. Can I?
I'll play Fall Guys. That's
There's
racing,
one goblin.
actually. I would play Fall Guys because that is racing.
I'm not. I don't really like Fall Guys.
Bean. Among
Yeah.
Us is just kind of. It's fun until you like the color red.
Just don't be red.
Yeah,
Red
no,
sus.
that's not an option.
Red sus. I mean, you can be red. I think the meme has kind of died out as now.
I have trust issues.
Okay. It's a battle. I've saved it. Save. Now, when I interact with this, hold on. Let me look at this guy.
Is the
Properties.
overworld still broken?
No, not anymore. Okay.
Alright.
When player interacts,
You know, maybe
start
I
battle.
should keep springs away from me because I have just earlier mentioned about cutting myself on springs, and I almost did the same exact thing right now.
Yeah, maybe don't be near things that could possibly harm you.
I mean, it's not really any less safe than
What?
than
I can't.
racing.
Well, I can't interact with it.
Oh, Jax tried to send me a tutorial on how to get GitHub working so that we could work on the same project. And guess what the first thing I noticed in the video was?
A car. It was a car.
Yep.
It was a car. Of course. What else would you expect?
So the wallpaper. Hold on. Let me find the video again.
Okay.
I'm pretty
can
sure
I
it was
change the amount
BMW
of-
M30 M3. Or E30 M3, sorry.
Attack cooldown 1. 6. Okay.
Which was a touring car. A DTM touring car. Back in, I believe, the 1980s? Yes.
I can't change the damage of the.
And it was
goblin?
a great touring car. It is, I believe, the winningest touring car in the history of touring cars. It was cool. It still is. And that's why I noticed it.
If there's a car involved in anything that you show V, that's the main thing that he's gonna focus on. Bam. Okay, let's try this now. Save. Test.
I am entering an endurance race for tomorrow, by the way.
Ow. Oh, okay.
Like an actual
It's working.
endurance race.
It's actually. Oh,
Yo!
my God, it's actually working.
It's working!
We got combat working. What?
I'm entering
You said what?
an in
No.
Me
What did
or
you say? What did you just say?
Me?
You said it's working, and then you said something. What did you just say?
I said I'm entering.
No.
I don't know.
You said it's working. Hold on.
I don't remember what I
Okay,
genuinely
good.
don't remember what I said.
Okay, nobody
I
noticed
don't know
except for me. Nobody knows except for me. It's fine.
Huh?
You
What
said
happened?
you said the word. But
I'm
since
confused.
since
I
Scrunk
don't know
didn't
what I
hear,
said.
no, you said the word that Scrunk isn't supposed to hear, but since he didn't hear it, he can't say it. It doesn't count.
Oh.
Yeah, you said it works. See, oh my god. See, you see what you did? You see what you did?
Whoa! No one even said that
Said what?
word.
You
This
did
time.
say the word.
Not. He was reacting to you mentioning that word's existence.
Yeah, it doesn't count. You can't. It doesn't count
Oh
because you didn't hear.
yeah, baby.
That's what we were waiting for. That's what it's all about. Okay.
Anyway, I'm entering an endurance race tomorrow.
Nice.
I don't know if I have teammates.
Oh, how do you not? No.
Because no one else is signing up. I am currently the only person who has signed up.
Oh.
I'm the only person for my team that has paid to go.
So you could just be racing alone against a team of a bunch of people?
No, I'm not going to be allowed to race.
Oh.
You have to have at least 3 team members.
That
'Cause
is
it's not racing
unfortunate.
season. Every season is racing season, even the dead of winter.
I still
Rally
don't get
racing.
how that's at all fun. Is it raining? Oh, it is. I forgot there were gonna be thunderstorms
Raining
today.
outside?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's raining outside. Nice. I'm gonna go take a walk.
Right now?
Nah, not right now.
Alright.
When the stream ends, probably.
I'm gonna make a gun.
Oh my goodness, I can't talk.
I'm
Hold on, I can help. Hold on. No.
Huh?
Let me make the gun model.
You want me to? Okay, I'm gonna open up Parsec. I'll let you. I'm gonna open up Parsec. So
Anything
yeah.
that has some mechanical thing to, like, any mechanical object. It could literally be a mechanical pen. Actually, are you gonna add a mechanical pencil? You should add a mechanical pencil.
If you want to make one, then sure.
it's
Okay, let me.
hold on. It should just be a rubber band.
Okay, I'm sharing it.
It shouldn't be a gun. It should be a rubber band.
If you, whatever you want to model, I'm letting
I
you
mean,
make
in that
this.
case, I'm not gonna be making it.
Oh, open up Parsec, and I'll let you do something. I'll let you do whatever.
Why is Parsec freaking out?
Do
Oh
you have
my
a bunch? You guys probably because you have Beam and G open. I don't know.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I.
I
do have
told you to
BeamNG.
close that, and then you just never did.
I can't connect. I cannot.
Why not? Oh, I'm gonna stop and reshare.
Something's wrong. It
How
was
about-
the steering wheel.
Oh.
The steering wheel doesn't like Parsec very much.
If you guys don't know, Parsec basically it lets someone control another person's computer. So V is gonna have access to my computer, and I don't know
What
how
do
good that is.
Chat, what do I make?
Is it letting you connect?
Chat, what do I make? No, it's not.
I've not given up. No, I'm letting V It's
Chat.
actually working now. I've gotten
I
to
can't
work.
connect.
You can't connect. Why not? What is it saying when you try to connect?
It's not saying connect.
Hold on. Let me copy a link. I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link.
Have you pressed the share button?
Yeah, but I'm gonna send you the link. Which alright, chill, Apparosity, chill.
What did Apparosity say?
Something.
Oh.
Alright, I sent you the link. Just try opening that and see if that works.
Apparosity, I'm pretty sure Jax has better things to do.
Yeah, I do have better things to do actually. And I'd prefer you not talking about things like that. Is it working?
It's like, I have better things to do, like drive race cars.
That's always your better thing to do.
That
Oh
is
my
the only thing, that or anything that I can build or has mechanical components.
Skrunk, thank you. You for
We'll
all
have
of
to-
the stuff.
we'll have
Skrunk
to-
is keep sending. It's just sending a bunch of code that I could use for this. First, it was the
the proper
physics
frickin',
engine.
Code. This is how code is done.
Thank you very much, Grunk.
Hold on, where's the frickin' there it is.
Alright, 2 hours in, we're actually starting something. We might
can't
actually have
sign
a
it. What
product.
the?
What?
Uh-oh.
What?
Only that Parsec isn't letting me sign in.
Do you remember your password?
I have my password
Oh yeah, I forgot you write down
written
your
down.
password. You have royalties and now own 10% equity in a company. Well, I'm not selling this game, so you don't own. You own Jack. You own
There
Jack
we
and
go.
shit. So
Chat, what should I make?
yeah, give me some
Chat.
ideas on what to make.
If
It doesn't
not,
have to
then
be
I'll
a weapon.
just-
It could be an enemy. It could be a. No,
Oh, you don't. You know what?
Jack.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make
Oh
my
my
own thing.
god. Or you could make you could make whatever. You could
How
make a
powerful is this
car.
thing gonna be?
How powerful is what gonna be?
The gun.
However powerful you want me to make it.
Not crazy. Just like it's a long range.
Why did you say that? Oh my god. Well, you know the rule. You're not supposed to say that word.
Don't acknowledge it, and he won't notice it.
Yes, he will.
That's what I was trying to see.
Oh, okay. Well, it's too late now.
Oh yeah, it's too late now, cause you acknowledged
He
it.
he was gonna hear that because you didn't like slip it into the conversation casually. You just said it like a regular.
Exactly.
All
I
right.
wanted to see how much I can get away with.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Is
It's
Parsec
still
working?
not letting me. I don't
Okay.
think I can.
Um,
I don't think I can.
why
Nah.
not? What is it doing?
Need to do a thing.
What?
Thing.
What? Wait, just
Authenticate.
if you click connect on me, what does it say?
How do I authenticate?
You probably have to, I don't know. What does it say to do?
I did it.
Nice. Oh, there we go. All right, let me enable your keyboard and mouse. But hold on, don't do anything just yet. Don't do anything just yet. All right,
It just kicked me out.
Oh.
I don't think I can.
Wait, try again. Try again.
Trying again.
Okay. Accept. Yeah,
Why
yeah.
is your username here Epic Gamerson?
That's the name of my computer. Oh, it keeps kicking you out.
Why is your computer named Epic McGamerson?
Because I'm an epic McGamer. Give it one more try, maybe.
I don't name my car Epic McSpeedy Boy.
You should name your car Epic McSpeedy Boy.
No.
All right, give it one more try.
One more try.
Okay, accept. Now you have keyboard control. And okay, yeah, it says you had
Just
a
kick
problem
me
with
out.
your connection.
14003. Oh boy.
What is 14003? All right, I'm gonna quit out of Parsec. Oh, failed to capture the host display.
I wonder why. Having
Ah,
issues handling the stream. Why?
no idea. I'm gonna go back to this though.
RPG in a box. In a box!
That is what this is. Alright, IcoJam2023 open.
You will let me capture that point.
Now we've actually got something.
I don't know why it's unable to capture.
Why
the
can I not?
stream.
Okay, there you go.
Probably because it's probably because you're already streaming.
Maybe. I don't think that would be it, but maybe.
Because I know my computer does, or well, both of my computers have had issues with like when I'm trying to transmit data, it can't transmit the data to more than one thing.
Okay. Well, yeah, that could be it then.
I'm not sure if that's a problem with yours though. That's just my experience.
That could just be how all well, most computers
All
work.
Windows computers might do that. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Let's.
Okay, I'm gonna turn up my fan because my room is an oven.
All right.
I
Let's
have
make a very
room.
simple gun.
My room is a little bit bigger than some closets.
Just a little bit though.
I wouldn't be surprised if it was like, no, it actually probably is like 8 feet by 15 feet.
That's
Less than, maybe.
that's a gun.
Probably less than. What is that?
That's a gun.
You know what? No, I'm gonna. Nope, I'm connecting through Parsec and I'm redoing that.
It's
nope,
not.
that is
It's
not.
not gonna. It's a gun. No, it's
Well,
a gun.
I'm redoing it anyway.
What if it doesn't work?
Well, I don't care.
Well, I reopened
gonna make it
Parsec.
work.
We'll see if it works.
I'm gonna make it work.
Bam.
What is that? That is a right angle with some things on it.
Exactly. That's what a gun is. All right.
No!
I accept it. Now I'm not gonna do anything just yet. And it just disconnected you instantly. Make a supreme gun. This is
Issue
just a
on the
test
host
model. I'll make it look good after I
Issue on the host
get it
computer. The
work.
person attempting to host the game means Parsec couldn't capture the display below are the reasons that can cause this. Laptops.
Can I reskin this? I can. I'm gonna make it
Laptops. Parsec is
functional
using the wrong
first.
graphics card. The game is running in full screen. Issues with lock screen. PC has no monitor. Windows multi-user systems. Issues with RDP. They'll fix it
Let's
after
make
the
it
stream.
equipable. Oh, hold on.
You should drive race cars in BeamNG. Did he just leave? Hello? I think he did. Chat, I'm gonna try to access his computer. See if it works. I don't think it will. Because he also needs to accept it on his end. I'm just gonna see if he accepts it when he comes back, just absent-mindedly. He might. Anyway, in the meantime, what do you guys want to talk about? Hello? Is anyone there in chat? Why not cars? No! No! Why no car? Why? We love car. Car cool, car fast. Yeah, well, I got another one. I have the IA license in Gran Turismo, so I have car license. I have car license, and you can't change that, Scrunk. Too bad. No, I don't think I am banned. I will leave the stream call and call you just like specifically to just lecture you on every reason why I am still able to drive cars. Alright, bet. You back yet, Jax? No? Okay. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where could he have gone?
Okay, I have returned.
What happened?
No, my mom just called me because she was asking if there was lightning or rain here, and I said no, it's only raining a little bit.
I called Skrunk
And
because Skrunk said I didn't have the ability to drive the cars, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play BeamNG just to prove.
okay, well, actually, since we've finally gotten to a start, and I think it's gonna be I might do some more work off stream, but I kind of I'm gonna stop for now. And I'm just gonna make an announcement that streams tomorrow and the day after might be earlier if I start earlier. I just put
I might not be here tomorrow.
Also
too.
that.
Cause oh, there is lightning near me.
Oh.
Neat.
Yeah, she's an own.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be here tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm probably not gonna be here tomorrow, just because I have a race to get to.
But I've gladly at least started. Are you gonna be here? Are you gonna be here Sunday?
Probably Sunday. Tomorrow is probably not, and if I am, it's gonna be late.
All right. Well, that's fine. I might be streaming for a while.
I got a race to drive if I get to the race because, oh my goodness, no one else is.
No one else.
Why is no one else is signing up?
I would sign up, but I don't have a cart.
No, it's a rental cart series.
Oh.
It's a rental cart endurance race.
How much is it?
It's like $105 to sign up. Don't.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a bit much if you don't like racing.
All right. Well, have fun if it actually happens. I hope people sign up. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow at some time. I'll post about it on Instagram. Just follow me on Instagram, and I'll also post about it, or just like subscribe and notifications on YouTube. You'll get a notification.
I need to post a video on my YouTube channel. I will.
Oh yeah, you send me that video. I'll edit it for you.
All right, we'll do it right now.
All right.
Well, bye. Have a good one.
Or have a bad one. Maybe have a terrible one.
No, don't have
actually.
a bad one.
Have the worst one possible.
You don't get a choice. You have a good one or you don't have one.
Okay.